Hi, I'm Manisha from Kiriti Group. Let me discuss a small story with you. It's about a container that almost did not make it. A garment exporter from Chennai, India, a buyer waiting in United States. 140-feet container loaded with men's clothing. Everything was ready to ship. But before reaching United States, 5 mistakes almost stopped the entire shipment. Stage 1, the agreement. In the rush to finalize documents, the exporter used the wrong HSN code. Woven shirts were declared under the knitted garment segment. The mistake moved into the proforma invoice and then into the letter of credit. Before cargo moved, the export team and the CHA caught this mismatch, corrected the invoice and got the LC amended before customs filing. Stage 2. Factory records showed 1200 cartons loaded. What is the reality? Only 1180 cartons entered the container. The issue appeared when container weight didn't match the declared quantity. The exporter quickly revised the invoice and packing list and shipped the missing cartons separately by air to avoid claims from the buyer. Stage 3. The freight forwarder. Then came the bill of lading. The consignee name in the United States had a spelling mistake, a small typo, but enough to create problems at destination customs and cargo release. The exporter reviewed the draft BL, corrected the details and approved only after reissue. Stage 4. The long voyage. During transshipment, water entered through a damaged container dossier. When the shipment arrived in the United States, around 80 cartons were already damaged. Insurance coverage turned out to be limited. The exporter coordinated a survey report immediately and negotiated a commercial settlement with the buyer instead of entering a long insurance dispute. Stage 5. USA port clearance. At arrival, customs flagged the shipment because the declared value looked lower than expected. Inspection ordered. Documents requested. The exporter and importer submitted invoices, LC records, and supporting trade documents. After verification, the shipment was finally cleared. Container released, 5 mistakes, 5 recoveries. One shipment that almost never reached its customer. Because in exports, products don't travel alone. Documents, timings, freight teams, and quick decisions move the shipment quickly. This is not just a story. This is the actual reality of the logistics and shipping world. We will help you get through all these things. Please contact us for any requirement or any queries regarding to this video or any query related to import and export. Thank you for watching us today.